In today's video, I will walk you through how to make scientific graphs in Google Sheets. Start by entering your data into two columns. In column A, type temperature in degrees Celsius as the header. In column B, type reaction rate in moles per second. Fill in your 9 matching data points underneath, making sure each temperature aligns with the correct reaction rate. Next, select the full dataset, including both headers, by clicking and dragging from the top left of your data down to the bottom right. This highlights everything you will turn into a graph. Go to the menu, click Insert, then choose Chart. If Google Sheets does not automatically select the correct format, open the chart editor and change the chart type to scatter chart. Your data will now appear as individual plotted points. To add a trend line, open the Customize tab in the chart editor, then go to Series and turn on Trend Line. Start with a linear trend line if your data increases steadily. If the pattern curves upward more strongly, switch the trend line type to Exponential. Finally, adjust axis labels or colors in the chart editor if needed so everything is clear and easy to read. Your scientific graph is now complete and ready to use.